Pan out. What does it mean? Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English expression. Have you ever heard the phrase, pan out, and wondered what it means? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. To truly understand the phrase, it's crucial to grasp its literal meaning first. In the world of film and photography, to pan means to swivel a camera horizontally from a fixed position. Imagine watching a scene where the camera moves side to side, capturing a wide view. That's panning. Now, when it comes to everyday conversation, pan out takes on a figurative meaning. It means to develop or turn out, especially in relation to plans or events. Often, it's used to talk about situations turning out successfully or as expected. For example, I hope things pan out well for your job interview. She was unsure about the project, but in the end, everything panned out. Let's look at more examples to clarify its usage. 1. We're not sure how the event will pan out with this rain. 2. They were worried about their investment, but it all panned out in the end. 3. Let's see how the week pans out before we make any decisions. These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of situations, from personal events to business decisions. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, pan out. Remember, it's all about how things develop or turn out. Next time you're in a conversation and want to express hope or uncertainty about a future outcome, consider using pan out. We hope this video has panned out well for you, and you feel more confident using this phrase in your conversations. Happy learning!